How to update the Kraken app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can update the Kraken app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before we begin with updating, we must check our internet connection. Make sure that you have good internet connection, you're connected to the Wi-Fi, or you are using your mobile data. After you've made sure that internet is not an issue, just go ahead and open up your App Store. On your App Store, go to the search section. That should be on the bottom right. Just let's let this load. There we go. Go here and type in Kraken. After you type in Kraken, you should see the Kraken app. Open it up, and instead of the open button, you should find the update button right there. So if you see the update option, simply tap on update and it should start updating. And yeah, it will do it automatically, and after the update completes, you should be able to open up the app. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit down below and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.